Don't get apparel, get promo. It's the type of gift that is used every day. Think about the impressions that you're making with that. I'm Corey Weatherald. I'm a senior category manager at Custom. Yeah, I mean, I think if you are purchasing anything for a client gift, you're starting your buying journey by either going to our website or chatting with one of our inkers. And I mean chat, like literally chat, or you could speak to them on the phone or email. Sometimes people don't want to talk to anybody and they just want to do it themselves in the 15 minutes they get to themselves in the day. And so I really like that we've sort of modernized that approach by making a functional website that gives you everything you need, as well as having a team on hand to talk you through it if you really want that approach. And so a friction point that people arrive at this journey is the right product needs to match my brand. If you have a really intricate logo, what products can imprint my very intricate logo, and that it's 5 colors? How many products can take 5 colors? And then additionally, some people's brands, marketing team is it has to be a specific Pantone color of navy blue or it doesn't match our brand. So they're saying, what apparel, what pen, what notebook can I get that is this exact brand color? And so I think you're just arriving at the buying decision with these challenges that need to be met. And so we really work with people. And then our site is also going to flag for people, use this filter to narrow down to this color. And then from there, you can get even further, how large of a backpack do you want? How small of a bag? And then also what's the imprint, that you want? You can use our site to narrow it down just as well. I think Yeti Rambler Tumbler. It is this classic style. Everyone knows the brand. They originated our obsession with insulated drinkware, so you can trust it for its quality. And we laser engrave the Yeti coolers. And so basically, it's going to make sure that you have this long-lasting impression to make. And then the last thing that I will say about the reason for this is because regardless of who you are giving this to, it's the type of gift that is used every day. So your logo will be front and center every day. I mean, think about the impressions that you're making with that. I think if anything, if you're ever nervous about what sizes to get, don't get apparel, get promo. I mean, that's the biggest benefit to promo is that you don't have to worry about sizes. So thinking from a client gift perspective, that's personal. Your size, you don't want to tell that to everybody. It's a whole other perk to purchasing promo is that you don't have to put anyone in an uncomfortable position. You can just send them something that will fit. Well, I mean, we test everything before we add it to the site. So we've made sure that it will function. We've made sure that we can promise what we are promising. And then if for any reason that doesn't maintain, and I mean, it's a small window, if 3 people come and they say this had a hole in it or a tear or the imprint, the product isn't keeping the imprint the way that we want. I mean, we don't hesitate to remove something. So we're not going to just go, oh, maybe it'll get better. It won't be on offer until it is improved.